This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a focused niche and signing up for 2-3 affiliate programs that match buyer intent. Explain why. A narrow niche reduces competition and raises conversion rates. Once enrolled, map offers to audience pain points and prioritize high EPC deals. Create a simple content plan tied to the buyer journey so you can publish with purpose. Make sure to set tracking links and a spreadsheet for links, payouts, and conversion notes so you know what to test next. Now you build content and traffic systematically. Produce SEO articles targeting purchase intent keywords, short videos for social proof, and an email sequence to nurture leads. Explain how. Keyword clusters funnel prospects from awareness to decision, and internal links push users to your affiliate pages. Once you generate initial visitors, run small paid tests to validate offers. Make sure to instrument UTM parameters and conversion pixels, so data tells you which create. Finish by optimizing and scaling what works. Review conversion funnels weekly and repair the highest drop-off pages first. Explain why this matters. Small lifts in conversion multiply revenue across all traffic. Once metrics are stable, scale winning creatives and increase offer diversity by 20 to 50% to reduce dependency. If results fall, troubleshoot. Verify tracking links, confirm affiliate terms or payout changes, and swap creatives. Make sure to keep testing one variable at a time so you know what change caused the effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.